Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is lecture 34, which is actually part 2 of the ecosystem concept and definition. Ecosystems are of two types. That is natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Natural, as the name indicates, they are undisturbed ecosystem operating naturally without being engineered by man. They are flourished under natural conditions. They include aquatic, terrestrial ecosystem, which are separated on the basis of water. Aquatic ecosystem include all freshwater bodies such as springs, ponds, marshes, wetlands, rivers, and streams, and marine ecosystem, which consist of oceans and seas. Terrestrial ecosystem refer to various forests, grassland, meadows, and desert ecosystem. The main thing is that they grow naturally, they develop naturally, they have their own ecological balance in a natural way. The flora, fauna occurs naturally. The second system is the artificial ecosystem. Artificial, as the name indicates, that means which has been engineered, governed, modified, or run by man according to his will. Whatever he wants, he can do it. The natural balance is disturbed. They include orchards or agricultural fields, or they are also sometimes termed as agro-ecosystems, fish ponds, aquaculture, man-made forest, rangelands. Changamanga forest is one of the good examples of artificial forest in Pakistan. Natural fishes in the rivers, in the sea, that's a part of the natural ecosystem. But when we culture fish in a certain limited pond, nowadays this biofloc mechanism has come. So all of them are artificial ecosystem, or simply say all agricultural crops, they are managed. Artificial systems also include aquaculture. Aquaculture is the culturing of aquatic plants, animals, fishes, and other organisms for commercial, recreational, or scientific purposes. Aquaculture is equivalent to terms agriculture. It is the rearing of certain marine or freshwater organism in artificial ecosystem to supplement the natural supply of food. Complete, there is again complete and incomplete ecosystem. Complete ecosystem is any ecosystem having all the four essential basic components, including producers, consumers, decomposers, abiotic parts. If these four components are present in any area of nature or unit, that would be complete ecosystem. For example, forest, pond, rivers, oceans, rangelands are complete ecosystem. Forests have plants, forests have abiotic environment, forests have producers, forests have consumers. So let's say complete ecosystem. Fishes in the open large ponds or water bodies managed artificially are also complete ecosystem because they have all the four essential basic components, including producers, consumers, decomposers, and abiotic factors. Culturing of fishes in closed artificial man-made pods of different sizes varying from 10 to 20 feet diameter or complete ecosystem because they have all the four essential components including producers, consumers, decomposers, and abiotic factors, nutrients, and management, irrigation. So they are also complete. This is biofloc fish farming. Artificial water bodies ecosystem. Some of the artificial water bodies in Pakistan are Manchal Lake in Dadu, Haliji Lake and Kareri lakes in the Thatra, Kotri and Sakhar barrages in Sindh, lakes of Mangla and Turbela Dam, Chatyari Dam in Sangar, River Indus and its tributaries. These are some of the example that these are this portion which is seen as rounded pots like structure. This is biofloc culturing of fishes, and these two are open ponds. Biofloc have one important factor that in a less space more मछलियाँ can be reared. That is कम जगह पर ज़्यादा मछलियाँ पालने का ज़बरदस्त तरीका है. They are in the controlled form. Now this is gaining importance in Pakistan also. Incomplete ecosystem. Incomplete definitely means, as the word indicates, some important factors out of these four that is missing. Such ecosystem lack some essential components and do not function properly. Example: moon, star, deep oceans, dark caves, where life is missing due to the absence of some essential abiotic component. They do not have producers for want of light. Highly polluted or intoxicated water bodies are incomplete ecosystem because they they may not have producers, consumers both. Almost sometimes they are lifeless. Uh, deep oceans Deep oceans have consumers but no producers. Dark caves have consumers but no producers. So these are termed as incomplete ecosystem. Large megacities are incomplete ecosystem. Large megacities. Now imagine large megacities like Karachi, Faisalabad, Lahore, Peshawar, Hyderabad, or any other such cities in your area. They are incomplete ecosystem because they do not have their required food, water, or good air. They lack producers and water resources. Such cities depend on surrounding villages for agricultural lands and food. Karachi does not have drinking sweet water. It gets potable water through pipeline from the Hyderabad. Although civic, educational, social, health, cultural, job facilities are better in the mega cities, but mega cities definitely lack producers. They have to get the food material which is cultivated outside their area in the villages. So they are similarly, if you think of air, so air is also very highly polluted, would not be usable. This is a picture of Karachi. You can see the dump area. This is a water body near sea, and dumping you can see. This won't have any fishes or these things or marine animals. And this the other picture is, of the main city. You can see no plants are there, only buildings are there. Deserts are incomplete ecosystem in a sense that they do not have enough water. Rain or underground water is also absent. This is primarily reason for their lifeless nature. Sahara Desert. In Pakistan, Nokundi is a place, Noshk area. It has 1.94 inches of total annual rainfall, and that too comes in a winter month. 10 to 11 months are rainless. The story of Thal Desert is not different. Whenever there is a drought, the inhabitants migrate to other areas because plants are not available, animals are not available, or water is not available. Again, this makes them incomplete ecosystem. These are some of the examples from Pakistan which are desert ecosystem. You can see this is a pond water in this is a pond water which is accumulated during rain, and as long as this water is there, the life is there. When this water, which is known as locally toba, if this dries up, they, the animals and the owners, they move out. You can see the rest of the three features. They are Thal Desert or of Pakistan, Thal Desert of Pakistan. Lifeless system is there. Very small amount of plants are there, spiny plants, Euphorbia terricoli, Euphorbia raliana is there, which is not edible for the by the human or by other. Thank you very much. This was part 2 of the ecosystem concept or definition. I hope you have got the idea what an ecosystem is and looks like. Thank you very much.